Hello and welcome to Full Stack Programming. In this video, I will show you how to implement an image preview widget using Alpine.js. So let's get started. So let's bring in this Alpine CDN and let's see. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a form. Inside we're going to have a div to group the label, so I'm going to say it is for the images, and let's add the input file. Let's give it the ID of images, and yeah, we're going to set it to multiple so that you can select multiple files in the dialog that opens. And let's make this an Alpine component. And yeah, so the first thing that we need to do is make sure that we add the div where we are going to show the previews. So let's call it, give it a class of previews, and inside we will have an array here, first of all, to store those previews. And here we will actually use a for loop using x4, and we'll say preview, and we also will use the index for the key, and we'll say preview in previews, and for the key we'll use index. And inside we will have a div for the preview and an image. With the source we are going to bind to the preview. Let's remove the alt tag. And so now let's work on the change event, like when the user actually selects some files. So we're going to call a method called handle files, and we're going to pass in the event object, and we'll say handle files, and we're going to accept the event. And in this we will first get the files. So let's say const files event.target.files, and then we'll use a loop to iterate over them, files.length and I++, and then we will create a file reader, and we'll do reader.onload, and it's going to give us a callback in which we will say this.previews.push, and we'll push the target result, and then at the end we'll just do reader.read as data URL, and then we will just pass the file in. So it's a files of I. And I guess this is all we need to do. So I'm going to say choose files, and let's go to downloads. I have some of these car images. Okay, so let's select 3 files, and yep, we get the images. And let's do some slight styling here. So I'm going to, for the previews div, I'll make it a flex, and I guess I'll make sure that they wrap. Then inside of the preview image, I would give them a width of 300 pixels, a height of 200 pixels, and let's do object fit cover. And if we take a look now, yes, now they look yeah, let's add some gap here, gap 4. Let's try it again. Yeah, so I guess this looks okay. Gives some margin from the top, and yeah. Right, so this is how you can implement a preview functionality for your forms. This is it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any feedback or comments, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.